Hi, I'm Emma Dixon, and I'm presenting our diary study investigating the potential of user interface shortcuts and control panes to support mobile phone use by people with mild dementia. The first prototype we tested in this work is Action Blocks, an Android app intended to make mobile phone and tablet use easier by adding customizable shortcuts. The example shown in this slide depicts an action block that, when tapped, launches a user's preferred ride-sharing app to get a ride to school. Action Blocks then sends an intent to Google Assistant and executes the input command as if it were spoken out by the user. The second prototype was Action Shortcuts, which includes a floating window on the right side of the screen that contains uniform app controls that are different for various types of apps, such as media players or video calling. These two prototypes work together in that tapping on an action block performs an action, such as launching the desired app. Action Shortcuts then provides a consistent, simplified intermediate interaction layer for users to navigate follow-on actions within the launched app. To test these prototypes, we conducted a 2-week diary study with 3 people with mild dementia. Please see our paper for further details. We found that action blocks help participants to multitask. It decreased the perceived amount of time spent searching for apps on their phone, as well as assisted in moments of fatigue and stress. We also uncovered 3 challenges that made the initial setup process of action blocks not accessible. First, each new block created was added to a new page on participants' mobile device. Instead, they wanted all blocks to be added to a single page to reduce multiple page management. Second, inputting commands to Google Assistant was difficult. Instead, participants wanted a pre-created list of commands that they could choose from. Third, with challenges with dexterity, participants had a hard time resizing the blocks once they were added to their home screen. To address this, participants wanted to pre-select the size of all new blocks that they added. As for Action Shortcuts, we found it helped participants execute all steps in multi-step tasks. They found the design as comforting, and the control panes helped them to expand their technical repertoire. Yet, the control pane got in the way of participants interacting with various apps, even when it was in its minimized state. So participants wanted to customize how and when action shortcuts were displayed. Further, with the Duo app, the control pane automatically changed the controls displayed as users interact in the app. But participants were confused and frustrated by this level of adaptation and instead wanted the control pane to remain consistent once an app was opened. In our future work, we intend to test the usability of action blocks and action shortcuts with a more diverse group of users, as well as expand the control sets action shortcuts can offer to support a wide variety of apps through a more intelligent, adaptive user interface. Thanks for listening.